well, abortion, kwaba abortion parts were miscarriage. But then also, if I'm not mistaken, she had a child. Sanibonani ninjani, welcome to my YouTube channel. Gamalami ngusane Musa. If you have been part of the channel, izandla zidlula ikhanda, siyabonga kakhulu. If you are new here, please do subscribe. I'll subscribe ngoba vele you are already here. So if you subscribe, please make sure you leave a comment, you criticize, but in a nice, constructive manner, and yeah, leave a message, encourage us. Let's grow the channel. So today I want to discuss so many things have been happening, and I want to discuss the issue of, it's not an issue, but I want to discuss indaba ka Musa Mseleku as well as Queen Loli. Let me just take you back firstly. Who is Queen Loli? So, girl, igama lakhe uNomfundo Shays, right? Her name is Nomfundo Shays. She's very young. She was born in 1994. So we 2000, you know, and Owagazulu Natal, Great Town. That's what we know. So personally, I like Loli. You know why? I'm saying I like Loli because she's a great artist. I think Loli and the kind of music that she sings, she's more like your Nomfundo Mo type of music. She's more your jiva kind of music. She falls around, you know, Leo Lintuzane, Leo genre ganjalo. And her voice, her vocals, you know, she reminds me of Kelly Kumail. Speaking of Kelly Kumla, but anyway, so she's from Greytown, in a small city of KwaZulu Natal, Makhwapheni, Greytown. Obviously, like any other person, she went was a college of greener pastures. What do we know? That's all we know about Loli. She's been an upcoming artist for quite a long time now. However, the music is very great. So she recently came with limelight because kade eklema engazuthi ulale no Musa Mseleku kanti ulale nendodana. But when I was listening to that podcast, I was like, but there's nothing. You could tell ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uMusa, but then uthi Mseleku, but then yena uyabona into wrong ayishoyo, but then obviously she wanted to gain publicity and popularity and all those things. Sharp, obviously she did. Then we find out, which I knew at that time, obviously, ukuthi ulale no ndodana, not ubaba, but obviously she made it as if ulale no baba, you know. And then umayeni get so umfana kamayeni lo ulala no girl umfana kamayeni known as Umpumelelo nesithembu already unengane namafazi about 2. Mina ngithi uMpumelelo akagoduka abuyele emzombe because ubuke ngazothi ithekwe sengithi ithekwe ngathi igoleni mehluli. And then uGeli-ke usethi-ke uyena uzoyikhipha evidence because ngeke alale umuntu alale nawe, and then at the end of the day bese yakufihla, okay, sharp, rightfully so, I hear you, I fully understand. Then she went and claim ukuthi bekajola nano AKA. Never. I'm not AKA spokesperson, but kanje shame. I like you, Loli. I do love Loli. I'm not gonna lie, as I say, she's got a great body, nomzimba omuhle, namabele amakhulu. Like akasabe ngomzimba wakhe, you know, that's fine. And then she's ngiyawuthanda umculo wakhe. Ukuthi angaze ngulalele ngibone, you know, obviously uma ngabe post Instagram. But the only issue that I have with Loli is the fact ukuthi I don't think ukuthi for her to gain publicity kumele akhulume kanje ngaleya ndlela oyenze kanjani, because that's the only way. Khiphile iculo lakhe lisha osomatekisi, and I think she's frustrated. She's frustrating because she's been trying and then she's releasing nice tracks, you know, you know, also no Master KG because they were trying to make a song. And then at some stage she did goes live, went live, and then she was like, hey, Master KG, we're supposed to do a song, and then they end up sleeping together, then they have a child together. Well, abortion parts were miscarriage. But then also, if I'm not mistaken, she had a child between 9 and a corner. This is hi, and then now she claims AKA, and then she claims Big Zulu. Well, do you understand? So I can agree, like Big Zulu, sharp, this makes sense. Probably he did hit that. Ntengane Sharp, he did hit that. Master KG, you know, but then because they even had an alteration with Makati, then yeah. And then Makati and I came out as like, hey, wabaganjani no muntu, you guys have a child in a 9 years, but then at the same time, you've known each other for 3 years. I don't know now why Lolo was like, now Lolo na manga these days. Lolo's lying and lying and lying and lying and lying and lying. I just don't understand why she's lying because, child. So the only issue that I'm saying, the fact Suguti, it's fine, Loli. Try and promote your music, but no, to promote your music. If you have an issue with that person, call that person and say, hey, bro, I'll sing phony, I'll sing Tandy, and all of that. The thing is, yeah, Mseleku was unnecessary, definitely unnecessary, but she knew exactly what she was doing. She just wanted to trend, and she is trending. But then I just hope with the trending thing will give her more bookings, because at the end of the day, what she needs is to be booked by your sevens. And then she's been sleeping with this man because at the end of the day, she's trying to get her music out there. She wants to be known. She wants to be famous. She wants her music to sell. And she's been in these things, you know, drama, because I remember the story, and then it was Makati, and then it's Big Zulu, and this and that. So it's just a disaster at this stage. And then Mseleku comes out and say, we are suing. What are you guys suing? Are you suing because she said Musa, I mean, she said Mseleku? What are you suing anyway? Because first of all, boy, we are enough to go out there. My girlfriend out too anyway already. And then he's old enough to decide to yolala no loli. And then why we want the camera? So I'm sure we want the camera. So probably he agreed. He's on camera at the end of the day, you know. So, but this is the nice part. It's when Loli. So Loli then addresses Mseleku and say, Baba said, my father-in-law. Your father-in-law? Who's your father-in-law? Then it's like, I'm like, child of this kid. Because I want to say, because she's in 1994, a person in 1994, how old is that person? Probably she's like 30, God, she should be 30 now. 1994's, no, I know she's old. I don't think let's check how old as Noni is Loli. So these days, Ugeli, she's trending for all the right, wrong reasons. You know, so we're in 2020, 23 right now, and then she was born in 1994. Hi, man, no, was 29, na manje. I know, yeah, she's 29, but she's young. We are born to, but unless enomnyaka yebhola, because ngenzeka ukuthi unemnyaka yebhola, you know. So if enomnyaka yebhola, then she's not 29. She's probably 30 something. She does not look 29, but then ingqondo yakhe says I'm 29. So yeah, where we stand right now, Loli might go to court. They didn't say they're going to go to court, but say bafuna delete it. And then if they delete, then they're going to go to court. So they're not in court as yet. But then personally, I don't think I entertain I mean, there's nothing. First of all, so of course that boy is going to hold himself. So don't sue Loli, but Loli, please try and sleep with this man and just not talk about it. Like Loli, please just tell me. And those famous men, now, like tell me, I doubt. They're not going to want to sleep with you right now because you're going to run on papers, you're going to run on social media. Child, if you did not gain anything, just take your L and leave. Anyway, thanks so much for pulling through my YouTube channel. This story ends now, and today we were discussing Loli and Amadoda Kamaningi, Abu Big Zulu, Abu Ntengane, Abu Master KG. But please, I'm not AKA's fan, but leave AKA out because you definitely did not sleep with AKA. The proof that we want from you, Loli. You can't just meet a strut in no moment. Even if someone says, oh, we chat or something, there must be something. There must be some screenshots of some sort. There must be a missed call. There must be an SMS. There must be a WhatsApp. So call it. Listen, and surely you were sleeping with AKA child. You were going to share and then have some proof. I don't even think you have in number bag. Just share. Just, you know what? Anyway, thanks so much for playing through on my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you on the next story. Bye. Thank you. Boo, 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 boo.